I'm Anil Kumar, and now it is time to investigate the arithmetic series. I hope you have seen the earlier videos where we have developed the whole concept of arithmetic series, and now we are looking into from a different angle. So this time, what we have done here is we want to generate the series from the given sum rather than finding sum of the series, right? So the approach is kind of going backwards, right? I hope that helps. Now, so we'll take a few examples here. The question in general will be write the arithmetic series for the given sum of terms. So what we can do is we can just take an example. Let us say Sn represents sum of n terms. So we'll write a formula here, n square plus n. You could write anything to start with. So let us say that you are given sum of first n terms, partial sum that is, of the whole series is 2n square plus n, where n belongs to natural numbers. Correct. Now the question for you is, first question, find the 10th term. Find the 10th term. Now that is the question for you. So can you help me answer this question? It's not an easy question. It's a kind of difficult question. How do you find the 10th term if I tell you that in general sum of the terms in this arithmetic series is 2n square plus n? Well, the trick here is that to find the 10th term, what we do is we find the sum of 10 terms. So that means from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we know all this sum, right? And then we find the sum of 9 terms. Oh, I mean, you got it, right? So we find the sum of all these terms, correct? 9 terms. So this particular difference which you have there will help you find the 10th term. Do you get the idea? So that is how we need to explore, right? So that is interesting. So that is the whole idea of this video. So 10th term should be place n as 10, and so we'll get this as 2 times 10 square plus 10, and that is 2 times 100 plus 10, and that is 210, right? Use calculator, right? That is first thing. Let me keep the calculator right there. Now I'm changing my habits now. It should be on. Okay. So 2 times sum of 9 terms. 2 times 9 square plus 9. Okay. N is 9 now. So substitute 9 in your formula, right? So this time we'll use calculator. We say 2 within brackets, 9, bracket close, right? As it is written, right? Plus 9 equals to 171. Well, if you do not want to place so many brackets, then what you can do is you can start with the brackets to avoid it. So we have 9 square equals to times 2 equals to plus 9 equals to. This is another way of getting the same answer, right? So with calculators you can punch in fast. So at times you can do like this, which is a preferred way as far as I am concerned. So what you really find is the sum of these 10 terms was 210. And sum of these 9 terms was 171. So that gives you an idea. What is the 10th term, right? So we can say that the 10th term is sum of 10 terms minus sum of 9 terms. Is that okay? So that is to say 210 minus 171. Okay. 210 minus 171 equals to 39. So what you find here is that the sum of terms difference is 39, and therefore the 10th term is 39. If I add 39 to the sum of ninth term, then I get sum of 10 terms. It makes sense. Do you get the idea? So that is the concept which is kind of very important to understand here, right? I hope it is well taken. So if you are given general formula for sum of terms, you can adopt this method of finding a term from the given arithmetic series. Okay. Now the question for you is, let me write down a question for you now. The question for you is, we found one term, right? Write first 10 terms of the same series, right? Write the first 10 terms and find sum of first 20 terms. Okay, so be careful. I changed my numbers as I normally do. Find sum of first 20 terms. Okay, only find first 10 terms, apply your knowledge which you've learned here, and then find sum of first 20 terms. Okay, so well, that's tricky. I should say verify your answer. Let me say verify your answer. Now that becomes even more trickier. Well, it is kind of like this. When you find your first 10 terms, use your normal formulas, get the sum of first 20 terms, right? And you can verify your answer by substituting 20 here, right? Straight answer, correct? So check if it works for you. It is only exploring the arithmetic series which we are learning about, and I hope this particular video helps you to get those marks above 80%, 80 to 90% marks which you are looking forward, right? And we'll take up now some more thinking questions which will bring you right on the top. I hope it works for you. Thank you and all the best.